Do you have waterless urinals in washrooms that don't smell too great? Well, that wouldn't be surprising because it is often the case. That's with the proprietary cartridges that come with many of the leading brands, which rely on a chemical gel to keep the smell down in the toilet. These of course only last for perhaps 30 to 45 days before the gel starts to run out, and then you get the nasty smell. But with the Ivo Easy Trap, we have a cart replacement cartridge with a trap system which requires no chemicals and gives you 3 to 4 times the life of your standard proprietary cartridges. On top of that, you can use any chemical you like to clean the urinal. You're not restricted to a proprietary chemical, which often are quite expensive and not often very effective. Why not trial the Easy Trap today? Excellent for several of the leading brands, as you can see below.